What is artificial intelligence, or AI for short? Let me tell you. You've probably heard people say things like AI is taking over the world. But what is AI? And how does it even work? Let's break it down so it's easy to understand. AI is like a computer brain that can learn and make decisions, kind of like a person. It's not alive, but it can do smart things like talk, draw, play games, and solve problems. If you've ever used Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, you've already used AI. So, how does AI work? Well, AI learns by looking at tons of data, like pictures, videos, or words. Imagine you wanted to teach a robot what a cat looks like. You'd show it millions of cat pictures. The AI would start to notice patterns, like pointy ears, whiskers, and tails. Then when it sees a new picture, it can guess, that's a cat, or that's a dog. This type of learning is called machine learning. It's like how you get better at basketball by practicing over and over again. The more AI practices, the smarter it gets. There are different kinds of AI too. Some are really good at chatting, like ChatGPT. Others are great at drawing pictures from just your words. And some are used to drive cars without anyone touching the wheel. Each kind of AI is trained to do one special job. So where do we see AI in real life? Pretty much everywhere. When you open YouTube, AI picks videos you might like. When you talk to Siri, AI listens and answers. When you shop online, AI shows you things it thinks you'll want. Even your parents' GPS uses AI to find the fastest way home. AI is also helping in schools, hospitals, and even space missions. Now let's talk about how regular people can use AI. You can use AI to get help with your homework. It can help you write stories, poems, or even songs. You can use it to make art just by typing a few words. AI even helps make video games more fun and realistic. And it's not just for adults. Kids can use AI to learn, create, and play. But wait, is AI dangerous? That's a smart question. AI can be helpful, but if it's used in the wrong way, it can cause problems. It could spread fake news, help people cheat, or take away jobs if we're not careful. That's why we need to use AI responsibly. Just like we use fire or electricity. It's powerful, but it has to be used safely. So what's next for AI? In the future, AI might help doctors cure diseases faster. It might translate any language instantly. It might make school easier and more fun. It might even help fight pollution and climate change. And guess what? You could be one of the people who builds the future of AI. Maybe you'll invent a robot that does your chores or helps your community. So now you know, AI is a smart computer that learns like we do. It's already helping people every day. And it might be one of the most important tools of the future. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what would you do if you had your own AI? See you next time.